This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the battery percentage indicator on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. As you can see up here at the top, I have my battery percentage indicator on. It says I have 83% battery left, but to enable that or disable it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Battery. I'm going to tap on Battery. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, and right here is my battery percentage indicator. If I toggle that off, the percentage will disappear. I'm going to toggle it off. As you can see, my battery percentage has disappeared. I'm going to toggle it back on. That is how to enable or disable the battery percentage indicator on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.